In this recording in our series of profile operations, we'll be continuing on with the tool and the levels. Now, we want to create a tool, and I'm not going to go really deep into it as we have a whole set of recordings dedicated to creating tools for the toolkit. I'll just do one very quickly by going into Select, choosing an end mill. The diameter I want on this particular end mill is going to be a 12 millimeter end mill with a cutting length of 24. Outside of the holder is going to be 45, and the amount of flute is going to be 4. I'll even add a holder to it, add adapter and holder, and the holder that I'm going to add on to it is from the ER32 family. That's 2 inches long. Okay, and this is how the holder looks, and I'll just accept that. Let's go now into the levels page. And in the levels page, by default, we have by top of target, and this is also associative. If I highlight this area and then click on the surface, it turns into user defined. But since I clicked on the surface, it is still associative. The profile depth, since I want to go up until this step over here, I'll just click on that face. And that is also user defined and at that depth as well. In our next recording, we'll be going into the technology of the profile operation.